Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you'd be fine. Cambridge Lower Secondary, Book 7. Today we are going to start exercise 7.3 of chapter number 7, which involves multiplication of two fractions. In the earlier video of exercise 7.2, we learned about how to add two different fractions or subtract them. Now it's time to move towards the next operation, that is multiplication of two fractions. So multiplication is altogether different from the addition, and it's very simple and very easy. All you need to do is, for example, in part A, we have 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2 getting multiplied with each other. So what do we have to do? We simply have to multiply the numerator with the numerator and the denominator with the denominator, making the denominator same, or taking the LCM, or adding the numerators, keeping the denominator same is all involves in the addition. But in multiplication, there is a simple rule: simplify, then multiply. Or it could be reversed, like multiply then simplify. Okay, but you can see that in this one we can't simplify the fractions 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2, since both the numerators are 1 each and we have the denominators 4 and 2. We cannot simplify 4 with 1 or 2 with 1, so we'll simply multiply in this case. So it would be 1 ones are 1, 4 twos are 8, and that's all. Similarly, when we talk about part B, 3 upon 4 multiplied by 1 upon 4, we cannot again simplify. So the answer to this would be 3 ones are 3, 4 fours are 16. Then 2 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 5 is the same. Again, you can see that we cannot simplify 2 with 3 or 5. So 2 ones are 2, 3 fives are 15. Okay, this is how we have to solve these type of questions. Then we have part D, which says 4 upon 5 multiplied by 2 upon 5. Again, we have 4 and 2 in the numerator, and we cannot simplify them with either of the 5s. So it would be 4 twos are 8, 5 fives are 25. 3 upon 7 multiplied by 3 upon 4. So how simple it is. It just involves the multiplication of numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. Okay. It involves some other steps as well, but we are going to talk about step by step. It's 7 upon 9 multiplied by 2 upon 3. 27, 14 upon 27. And you can see in the answers as well, 8 upon 25, 9 upon 28, 14 upon 27. We can't simplify any of the numerator with the denominator, because when before multiplication, we can't simplify any of the numbers, any of the numerators with the denominator. So in the answer, we can't do that. Now, in question number 2, we will find that yes, we can simplify these fractions now. 3 upon 4 multiplied by 2 upon 5. You can see that we cannot simplify 3 or 5 with any of the numerator or denominator, but we can simplify 2 with 4. How? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now we will multiply 3 with 1. So it will be 3 upon 2, 5s are 10. Okay. Next we have part B. So what did we do in part A? First we simplified and then we multiplied. Again, you can see that 2 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 4. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2, and 2 twos are 4. What are we left with? Only 1 in the numerator, 1 ones are 1, and 1 twos are 2. So the answer would be 1 upon 2. And in part C again, 4 upon 5 multiplied by 3 upon 8. So we can simplify 4 with 8. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, but we cannot simplify them any further. So the answer would be 1 threes are 3, 5 twos are 10. One more method to solve these type of questions is to multiply first and then simplify. Let's do the 3 remaining parts using the second method, which says you can multiply the fractions first, that is the numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. But I preferably choose the method number 1. Why? I'll tell you later. So here it is, 1 multiplied by 8 is 8. 4 nines are 36. Now we have to find a common factor of 8 and 36, which is 4. So 4 2s are 8, 4 9s are 36, and the answer would be 2 upon 9. And even if you would have gone for the first method, you will have got the same answer. Why? 2, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, then 1 twos are 2, 1 nines are 9. So you can see that we have got the same answer. Okay. And now why I don't like the second method? Because in some cases when the numbers are greater, okay, like we have numbers of 2 digits getting multiplied with each other, and even they are able to simplify it first. So what happens when we multiply the number upon multiplication? What happens? The numbers get more bigger. Okay, so simplification becomes a little bit tricky. So therefore I choose method number 1, where I could simplify first and then go for multiplication. See, 3 5s are 15 and 10 6s are 60. Now we can simplify both of them. I know that 15 4s are 60, but if you can't simplify with a greater number, so you can split it into parts. So it would be like 3 5s are 15 and 3 2s are 6 and 0. Then 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. So the answer would be 1 upon 4. But we could have solved it the other way. How? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So 1 into 1, 1, 2 twos are 4. So you see, we will get the same answers, but in a few steps in method number 1. Then we have part F, which says 6 upon 11 multiplied by 1 upon 3. So it would be 6 ones are 6, 11 threes are 33. Then simplifying, 3 twos are 6, 3 11s are. So the answer would be 2 upon 11. Or we can do it like this, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 2 ones are 2 and 11 ones are 11. That is the same answer. Okay. Now let's do question number 3, which says Benji is making a sauce. This is the recipe he uses. Sauce serves 4 people. Whatever sauce Benji is making, it is enough for 4 people. And what are the ingredients and how much is the quantity? So it's 2 upon 3 cups of cashew nuts, 1 upon 3 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of honey, half teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of vinegar. So next, what are they telling us? Benji makes sauce for 2 people. The quantity that is given here is enough for 4 people, but Benji is making it for 2 people. It means he has to cut it into half. That is, whatever quantity is given over here, we have to divide it by 2. Okay, or dividing it by 2 or multiplying it by half means the same. Okay, if we need to cut something into half, so either we will multiply it by 1 upon 2, okay, or we can divide it by 2. Both means the same. So what is Benji doing? Benji is multiplying all the amounts by 1 upon 2. What do we have to do? We have to copy and complete the table which shows the amount of each ingredient that Benji needs. So what do we need to do? We simply have to take all the amounts over here, starting from cashew nuts, and we will multiply all the quantities by 1 upon 2. 2 upon 3, multiply by 1 upon 2, 2 and 2 cut, so the answer would be 1 upon 3. Then water, 1/3 cup, multiply by 1 upon 2, it would be 1 ones are 1, 3 twos are 6. Then vinegar, 1 upon 4, multiply by 1 upon 2, 1 ones are 1, 4 twos are 8. That's all. Okay, so it would be 1/3 cup, 1 upon 6th cup, 1 upon 8th cup. Then we are left with honey, which is 2 tablespoons. So we'll multiply it by 1 upon 2. Okay. Now when we have only a whole number getting multiplied with a fraction, so always remember that there is a 1 in the denominator of every whole number. So what happens? This is the numerator. The whole number is the numerator. And we have another fraction. We can see that there is a 2 in the denominator as well. So 2 cuts 2 and we are left with 1 upon 1, which is basically 1. And you can see that if 2 tablespoons are enough for 4 people, so half of 2 is 1. It means the answer is absolutely correct. What about the half of half? Of course, is a quarter. Okay, let's see. 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2. So it is 1 upon 4. This 1 upon 2 means half and 1 upon 4 means a quarter. Quarter means there are 4 parts in a whole. So it's 1 upon 4. So here we have completed the questions till question number 3. Inshallah, we are going to do a few more questions in the next video. And if you haven't watched the video of 7.1 and 7.2, the links are given in the description box. You can go watch from there. And thanks for watching the video till the end. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to send it to your friends so that more students can benefit from the video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.